The yosemite bowline, it's a bowline with 2 loops over here. For making this knot, we have to take our rope, we take the standing part, and we make a overhand loop. Overhand loop means that the running hand stays over the standing part. We insert the running hand in the loop from below. We turn around the standing part from below, from under. We put the rope inside the loop again, and this is the normal bowline. Then we take the running hand and we pass under this part, around and inside again in the loop. Then we have to pass the running hand in this little loop over here. We put it over here and then we pull. We have to dress it right, so we have to be very careful about these loops. We pull, and the knot is done.